The Mini Car Vacuum 12,000 PA wireless handheld car vacuum cleaner has garnered attention for its powerful suction and convenient wireless design. Here's an in-depth review highlighting its features, performance, and overall user satisfaction. Design and build quality. Positive comments. Compact and portable. The vacuum's small size and lightweight design make it easy to carry and store in your car. It's perfect for quick cleanups on the go. Ergonomic design. The handle is ergonomically designed for comfortable use, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without discomfort. Negative comments. Plastic build. Some users have noted that the vacuum's build, primarily made of plastic, feels a bit flimsy. However, it holds up well under regular use. Performance. Positive comments. Powerful suction. With a suction power of 12,000 PA, this vacuum effectively picks up dust, crumbs, pet hair, and other small debris from car interiors. Users have praised its ability to handle both dry and small wet messes. Cordless convenience. The wireless design adds to the convenience, eliminating the hassle of dealing with cords and finding power outlets. It's rechargeable, making it easy to keep it ready for use. Versatility. It comes with multiple attachments, such as a brush nozzle and a crevice tool, allowing for detailed cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. Negative comments. Battery life. While the cordless feature is convenient, some users have reported that the battery life could be longer. It typically lasts around 20 to 30 minutes on a full charge, which might not be sufficient for a thorough cleaning of larger vehicles. Noise level. The vacuum can be quite noisy, which might be a minor inconvenience for some users. Maintenance. Positive comments. Easy to clean. The dust cup is simple to empty and clean, ensuring that maintaining the vacuum is hassle-free. Reusable filters. It features a washable HEPA filter, which is both eco-friendly and cost-effective in the long run. Negative comments. Filter clogging. Some users have mentioned that the filter clogs easily, especially when dealing with finer dust. Regular cleaning of the filter is necessary to maintain optimal performance. Overall value. Positive comments. Affordable price. Considering its features and performance, the Mini Car Vacuum offers good value for money. It's an affordable option for those looking for a reliable car vacuum without breaking the bank. Customer satisfaction. Many users have expressed satisfaction with their purchase, highlighting its effectiveness for quick, daily cleanups. Negative comments. Not for heavy-duty cleaning. While it performs well for small and medium-sized messes, it might not be suitable for heavy-duty cleaning tasks or larger debris. Conclusion. The Mini Car Vacuum 12,000 PA wireless handheld car vacuum cleaner is a practical and effective tool for maintaining the cleanliness of your car's interior. Its powerful suction, cordless convenience, and versatile attachments make it a popular choice among car owners. Despite some minor drawbacks like limited battery life and noise, it offers good value for its price point and is well suited for everyday cleaning needs. For those looking for a portable and efficient car vacuum, the Mini Car Vacuum 12,000 PA is worth considering. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. What should be the price after verifying the right product quality, and what is the customer's demand? If you want to know product details or prices or need any other kind of information, please comment below. Any issue, stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.